Right now we are at the Piquant restaurant. The sound, like the name, it sounds like more of Italian, but yes, it's an Indian cuisine restaurant with the intercontinental taste. All right, so now we have the Mr. Like he's one of the manager here, the restaurant manager. Okay, could I know your name?
My name is Abdul Rauf.
Welcome, Mr. Abdul Rauf. How are you doing today?
Alhamdulillah, God, where is it?
Alhamdulillah. So it's really a beautiful restaurant we have got, and what kind of cuisine do you serve here, and what's the theme of it?
We have cuisine Indian, Chinese, continental.
Yeah,
And tandoori food.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Would you want me to just walk through the restaurant? Can you just tell me about it? Like, how about the theme and all? Where did you get it from? And
Our restaurant now is open last 10 months.
okay,
And here we open this restaurant, same like Kerala style, we have the ship, theme of the ship.
okay. So you mean to say this looks like a houseboat?
Yeah, it looks like a house.
Okay. Would you want me to just give our viewers the stroll inside the cabin?
Yeah, we have the inside the
And
the ship.
I see the captain of the ship is also here, huh?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, mashallah. What's your name, Captain? So Captain Maqbool, huh?
Najmul, yeah.
Majmul, okay, wonderful. So can you just
Yeah,
show us the...
Yeah, I'll show you our restaurant.
Yeah, it looks beautiful, by the way.
We have to be sitting like that, special inside the boat. You can see outside the people.
Wonderful, wonderful. So this is like, it has got a wheel, so this wheel it can turn around or what?
Yeah, turn around the wheel.
Okay,
The
fine.
kids are coming, they enjoy the kids are playing.
Wonderful. So you can just rate this restaurant as a kids-friendly restaurant.
Yeah, kids friendly.
Wonderful, wonderful. Can you show us the inside cabins of this houseboat? Yeah, as you can see that we just walking through the cabin, so he will show us one of the cabins here. So now here we are at one of the cabin. Wow, wonderful. Can you just it looks very exotic, by the way. It seems as if you are in the backwaters of Aleppi. Wow, you can see this beautiful houseboat, and this is the seating area wherein it can accommodate more than, I guess, 4 adults or 5 adults, depending upon the capacity they have. We can improve it, like there are some bigger cabins as well. So this is what we have. How about the, do you have any themed pound sort of thing? Could you show us the backwaters?
Yeah, of course. I'll show you the backwater.
Beautiful. So it has got a glass.
There is water.
Wonderful. So there are some fishes or what?
There is no fishes. We have the water, the theme of the water.
Okay.
Yeah. You can sit inside the boat. You can feel going to be a sea.
Wonderful. 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 So we can have a feeling of the Aleppi backwaters, huh?
Yeah, sure.
Wonderful. Wonderful. And also a sort of, Red Sea thing. So nice talking to you, Mr. Rauf, and thanks a lot
Thank you very much.
for the wonderful interview. And hopefully, we hope that our viewers, they could just come out and they can enjoy the food and all. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And here are the captains over here. Any message, captains? Any message for our customers?
Inshallah, when our customer is coming, inshallah, they are take our best food.
All right, so they are most welcome, you mean to say. Thank you, Mr. Rauf.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.